Question 7. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2 minus pi and minus 2 9. Point P on x-axis. Therefore, P coordinate is A0. Coordinate A is 2 minus pi. B coordinate is minus 2 9. Distance AP equal to distance BP. Distance AP root x2a minus x1 2 bracket square plus y2 0 minus y1 is plus 5 bracket square is equal x2a minus x1 is minus 2 means plus 2 bracket square y2 9 minus y1 0 bracket square is equal to root a minus 2 bracket square means first term square a square twice the product of two term minus 4a second term square 4 plus 5 square 25 is equal root a plus 2 bracket square first term square a square twice the product of two term is 4a plus second term square 4 plus 9 square 81. Taking square both sides then root sign goes out a square minus 4a plus 4 plus 25 29 is equal to a square plus 4a 4 plus 81 85 a square cut minus 4a transfer to 4a with minus 4a is equal to 85 transfer 29 with minus 29 minus 4a minus 8a is equal to subtraction 56 a is equal to 56 transfer multiple minus 8 we get divisible minus 8 8 1 8 7 a is equal to minus 7